we're going to try and improve our UI skills with the Kivy plugin program. So we'll use this library, I guess that's the proper terminology, Kivy, to create a simple calculator app. And then we'll build the next four. But to start off, we'll just copy and paste this into ChatGPT and say, please build a simple calculator app and UI for it in Kivy. And then we'll just use the explanation it gave us. We don't need to include what it helps us learn, and hopefully this will work. Okay, so it says we should have everything we need in this one file. It's impressive this time it was able to give it to us without interruptions. It did have an interruption when it was giving the explanation, but I just asked it to continue, and it gave us the rest of the explanation. So let's see if it runs. There's one error. We need to import Kivy. Maybe that's not the error, the label. It didn't give us the code to import this label, so I just asked for it nicely. Here we go. Now if we run this, okay, here's a nice looking calculator app. Although the 0 doesn't line up properly. If we type in 1, okay, here we go. 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's pretty impressive. Now we can clear it. 8 times 8. This is a working calculator. Can we do 3 divided by 3 plus 1? That should be 2, right? There we go. Here's our calculator app with a nice looking UI from Kivy.